Hello and welcome to Sadasa's classes. Today we are going to solve two questions from quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring portion also, as it requires only your numerical and basic mathematical skills. So people used to get high scores in this portion. Okay, so let's see what is in this question. So start with the first one. P is thrice as good a workman as Q, and therefore become able to finish a job in 48 days less than Q. Working together, they can do it in how many days? So first of all, assume that P finished the work in X days. Finish the work in X days. Therefore, Q finished the same work in 3x days, as P is thrice as good as Q. Finish the same work in 3x days. Now, according to given condition, we can say that 3x minus x is equals to 48 days. As in the question, we are given that P is able to finish a job in 40 days less than Q. Therefore, 2x is equals to 48, hence x is equals to 24. So P can finish in 24 days and Q can finish in 72 days. And Q can finish in 72 days. Okay, now together they can finish a job in one day is equals to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 72. Okay, as we can write that P finishes a job in 24 days. Therefore, in 24 days he can finish a job. Therefore, in one day he can finish 1 by 24th portion of the job. And similarly for Q takes 72 days to finish a job. Then in one day he can finish 1 by 72th portion of the job. Therefore, they together can finish a job in one day 1 by 24th plus 1 by 72, which results in 4 by 72, that is 1 by 18. Therefore, we can say that together they can finish the whole work in 18 days. Together they can finish the job in 18 days. Okay, so the right answer is the option B, and that's all for today. Okay, now let's check the next question. Here we are given that root over 18,225 is equals to 135. Then we need to find the value of root over 18,225 225 plus root over 182.25 plus root over 1.8225 plus root over 0.018225. Given that root over 18,225 is equals to 135. Now we need to find the sum of root over 18,225 plus root over 182.25 plus root over 1.8225 plus root over 0.018225. So the first is 135, the second one results in 13.5, the third one results in 1.35, the last one results in 0.135. Hence, after adding all this, we get 149.985. So the correct answer is option C. So we have solved two questions, and that's all for today. So if you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us at these numbers 9836793076 and 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.charlesclasses.com. Thank you very much.